The FCC database has done it again, and it's told us what DJI are about to launch next. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and as usual, the American FCC certification database has given away the surprise. Now, we don't like speculation or guesswork, but what we do like are hard facts and evidence. And the FCC database over the years has proven to be just that. When a new device is engineered, it needs to have certification for its emissions in terms of Wi-Fi, for example. And today, we've just spotted on the FCC database a label that's going to be applied to the latest product from DJI, which we now know is called the DJI Mavic Air 2. In the entry on the FCC database, there is an exposure evaluation report which clearly says the Mavic Air 2 name. But not only do we have that, and also two different model numbers, which I believe one is the drone and the other one is probably that horrible looking transmitter, but we also have the labels that are going to be attached, including another photo of this new drone. It's going to be a 3500 milliamp battery, which is quite a good size battery actually. Then scrolling down through this report, you can see that there is another label there as well. And it looks like there's actually going to be two versions of this aircraft. You can see the model number MA2UE1N, and the second label has the number MA2UE3W. So potentially two versions of the Mavic Air 2 will be arriving. These labels are both the same shape, and therefore it's quite unlikely that one is for the transmitter and one's for the drone. There was also a separate label that was posted on the Kanzaji website earlier today, which shows the label from the new transmitter. Scrolling down further, and we get our first glance at the inside of this drone. And actually the photo shows the battery bay of what is now going to be the Mavic Air 2. At this point, we really don't know anything else, and so please let's not talk about what it might cost, its flight time, its features, because we don't know. And if you see a specification list concocted on any clickbait website that will remain unnamed, you'll know it's false, because right now nobody knows. And it's so important that we base videos like this on evidence and facts, and when we have an entry on the FCC database, we know it's real. So get excited folks, the Mavic Air 2 from DJI is on its way very soon. The link in the video description takes you to the DJI newsroom where you'll read about any new launches first, and let's comment below with what you think about this new product. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to all of those Facebook groups, and click that subscribe button because you heard it first on DroningON.